Hi guys! This is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you remember the old days where we used to have our own mechanical alarm clock, be it for school or work? Do you also recall how we display a picture frame on our bedside table? Why not have them both on a single device? Owning an alarm clock these days can be nostalgic but a great and new experience with the addition of some smart and modern features. For today's video, we will unbox and review this Mi Smart Clock which I got from Mi Store for 1,999 pesos. Since I limit going out, I had this delivered to my location for 235 pesos via Grab. For the unboxing, let's start. Inside the box, you will get the Mi Smart Clock, a micro USB power adapter, and its user manual. At the front view, you will see the screen. From the top view, you will find the volume adjustment and microphone on and off buttons plus two external microphones. And this is how it looks from both sides. There's a micro USB port at the back and the bottom firing speakers. For its features, it has Google Assistant built-in, plus YouTube Music and Spotify. It can also serve as an alarm clock, a Bluetooth speaker, and a digital picture frame using Google Photos. It works with at least Android 4.4 and iOS 9. It has a 4 inches LCD screen with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. It is powered by micro USB. It supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth 5.0 with advanced audio distribution profile. It has a dimension of 113 by 68 by 81.5 mm. It weighs 272 grams. It comes in white color. It has 1.5 inches full range speaker, 2 mic array, and a 5 volts or 2 amperes power supply. Download Google Home from Apple App Store or Google Play Store, then turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open Google Home. Click the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Setup Device, then Works with Google. Choose your home. Wait for it to look for Mi Smart Clock.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on the phone or tablet.
Confirm the code on your display. Choose the room where you will place this device. Then connect to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your default music service. Click Next, then Continue. From your device, press and hold to customize clock face. We have Playground, Weather, Clouds, Retro, Eclipse, Contemporary, Prime, Timeless, Modernist, Mono, Featured, and Google Photos. Google, change photo frame.
Here you go.
For the gestures, slide from up to set an alarm. Then slide from left to go back up to your home screen. We also have nap timer,
Sure, a 20-minute timer called nap. Starting now.
play music,
Playing some music on Spotify.
Om na animal for school to test.
and night light. You may also slide up from bottom to change your display brightness, change the speaker's volume, or simply press the volume adjustment buttons from the top. Turn on Do Not Disturb, mute your mic,
The mic is muted.
or turn it on.
The mic's back on.
You may also access the system settings for the clock face, display settings, night light, network info, about device, and send feedback.
Okay, what do we need to fix?
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Quezon City today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 36 and a low of 28. It's currently 35 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Hey Google, how do you say good night and sweet dreams in Tagalog?
In Filipino, that's
Magandang gabi at mga matatamis na pangarap.
Hey Google, how tall is Eiffel Tower?
the Eiffel Tower is 300 meters tall.
Hey Google, how do you say hello in Korean?
In Korean, you would say,
안녕하세요.
Hey Google, turn on bedroom fan.
alright, turning on MI Smart Standing Fan Pro.
Turn off bedroom fan.
Alright, turning MI Smart Standing Fan Pro off.
Hey Google, turn on living room light. Turn off living room light. Hey Google, turn on Android TV.
Alright, turning on Sony Bravia KD49X 8000G.
Turn off Android TV.
Got it, turning off Sony Bravia KD49X 8000G.
Hey Google, what is the square root of 6,561?
Square root of 6,561 is 81.
And that's it for the unboxing and review of this Mi Smart Clock. For comments and suggestions for future videos, please leave them all at the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified on my next uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!